Kristen here, and welcome to my basket making series. In today's video, I'll be demonstrating my favorite way to join in the round when working with the waistcoat stitch, the invisible join. We'll first start off by extending the loop that's on your hook to about 1 inch, and then remove your hook. Insert your hook to the left of the first stitch of the round from the back to the front, and then take that loop and place it back on your hook. You'll then pull the loop to the back of your work and remove your hook. Then take your hook and insert it between the left and right posts of the first stitch of the round, yarn over and pull a loop to the front. Now take the initial loop, place it back on your hook, yarn over and pull a loop through both loops on your hook. This completes your invisible join. This stitch will serve as the first stitch of the next round, and it creates a nice clean seam when working with the waistcoat stitch.